In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn vertical videos, like Michael ELHINE's, into full widescreen content using free AI tools. This method saves time, boosts retention, and costs nothing. I'll walk you through two workflows, and then show you which one is the best. Step 1. Get the transcript first. Grab the transcript from YouTube. You can use an extension or just open the transcript by clicking the video description and choosing Open Transcript. Step 2. Break it. Down with ChatGPT, paste that transcript into ChatGPT and ask it to break the content into a clean outline. This helps you identify what to cut, keep, or break into multiple videos. Step 3. Cut backward to keep timestamps. When editing, always start cutting from the end of the transcript and work your way toward the beginning. That way you don't lose track of your timestamps as you go. Step 4. Use CapCut to get new transcript. Once you've trimmed the script, open the CapCut desktop app, drop in the original video, and use transcript mode to export a new, time-stamped version of your script. Here's where the options. Split. Now you have two ways to generate visuals from your script. Option 1. Script to video inside the CapCut Windows app. There's a powerful script to video feature that supports up to 1 million characters, but it's only for paid subscribers. I've found a way around this by going to their website. You can generate a full video directly from your long-form script using this tool, then follow the same overlay steps I'll show in a moment. To use it, go to CapCut.com. Click Magic Tools in the left navigation, select Script to Video. This is the completely free method, but it does have a 3,000 character limit per script. If you are using the paid app version, then most importantly, when it asks, Local Media or Smart Generation, click Smart Generation. This tells CapCut to auto-pick B-roll visuals that match your narration. Option 2. AI Instant Video via the CapCut website. To use it, go to CapCut.com, click Magic Tools in the left navigation, select Free AI Video Maker, then choose Instant AI Video once there. Paste your script, choose your style, like cyberpunk or realistic film. Set the aspect ratio to 16.9. Step 5. Download and open in desktop. App. After your AI video is generated, download it and import it into the CapCut desktop app. Now drag all the generated clips into the timeline, select them all, and right-click, make compound clip, delete the auto-generated voiceover, and now import your original video on top of the timeline. Stretch or speed up the bottom clip to match the timing of the original. Step 6. Mask or chroma key. Your overlay, at this point, use either chroma key to remove black or solid backgrounds, or masking to crop only the part of your face or scene you want to show. This lets you combine your authentic voice and presence with AI-generated visuals that stay synced word for word. Why option 2 is the best after testing both? Option 2 is the better deal for most creators. Here's why. It's 100% free. The visuals perfectly match the narration line by line. You get instant visuals without digging through stock B-roll. And most importantly, you're not capped at 60 seconds like most tools. I've already done full 10-minute videos with this, and it worked perfectly. Wrap up so. That's how you convert shorts into full widescreen videos using either CapCut's desktop app or web tools, with a bonus overlay trick to give it that pro feel. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Subscribe and check out my other breakdowns. More tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.
That's democracy in action. It shows people that are engaged. It shows that they care. And when you strip that away, you're not creating order. You're just creating resentment. You're going to create chaos. So what Mayor Clark is doing is not just tone deaf, it's dangerous, because when people feel that they can't speak up, they either shut down or explode. And in a town that's already on edge, treating every passionate response as a threat just pours more gasoline on the fire. Trying to control everything doesn't mean you're leading. It means you're clinging. Real leadership is being able to sit through criticism without calling the cops. It means you can hear hard truths and still show up for the next day. But it looks like Clark's approach, throwing everyone out for clapping, is a textbook example of how insecure leadership turns public service into basically personal protection. And let's not forget, the louder the silence gets in that room, the louder the anger will be outside of the room. You cannot mute a community forever.
I'll be frank, I don't like it, but what I would like...
You don't like what? What don't you like?
I don't like the fact that there's so much disruption and we're not able to take care of city business.
Oh, I'll put a little clip of that Alderman Tyrone Rogers. He is a big fan of the mayor. And if you talk back when he's talking, he will scream at you as well. I guess it's okay when Tyrone does it, but not when the residents do it.
144th and Austin was deemed uninhabitable by professional, certified code enforcement officers. Not the police department, not the fire department. Now, for example, hear me good, and I didn't interrupt you, and don't interrupt me. Now.
I mean, can you guys imagine having a public servant like this? I mean, it's no wonder they support Marxists, right? Because they're copying the Chinese communist ideals, where they shut you up, they try to silence you, they use their friends at the police department or code enforcement to try to shut you down. And this goes on all over Chicago and New York like gangbusters. They're replacing all the locals and all the black people that live there with illegal aliens. And it's getting out of control, and you're seeing it, man. The black communities, they're voting Republican now, and so I don't know what's going to happen, guys. But I'm just seeing this stuff, the dynamics changing here. Somebody put it in the comments. What do you think is going on? I just find it really weird that they call these city councilmen, say that it's their people, right? But they're trying to replace them with people that just snuck across the border illegally. 20 million of them. Kind of blows my mind. What do you guys think? I'd like to hear your opinions.
Hold on, man. I want to keep it civil. Okay. I appreciate it. Let's put a whole good time. Okay. Appreciate legal. You were refrain. Everyone got to get their public comment. It was right. You can listen. Please, thank you.
And take a look at this cell phone video now viral on social media. Second Ward Alderwoman Colby Chapman being physically removed by Harvey police during a council meeting last month. She says officers bruised her arms in the process.
That resolution number is 4005.
Thank you.
And take a look at the comment above by the gentleman from California, my good friend Rami. Give me a bunch of ones if you agree that all municipalities are organized crime outfits. Give me a bunch of twos if you believe in homesteading, if you believe in homeschooling, and getting your kids as far away from a municipal corporation as possible. Let's get back into the show.
Next item on the agenda is a resolution approving a redevelopment agreement with Crescent Estates LLC. This resolution approves the redevelopment agreement between the city of Harvey and Crescent Estates for the purpose of rehabilitating black property located at 60 East 155th Street, Harvey, Illinois. The chair will entertain a motion to approve this. Motion by the third, second by the sixth. Is there a debate?
Yes, question.
There's a motion called question.
This happened, our
Is
question.
there a second?
This statement called the question.
Is there, you are on the order. You are out of order. You are out of order. That's the second time we are going to continue talking out of order. Please do not allow the disruption. You are not going to disrupt the meeting. Is there a second?
Why are you all moving?
This is the last time I'm going to ask again after that. I'm going to ask for a motion for censure and removal.
That is unfortunate that this hour can't make a
The chair will entertain a motion to censure and remove the second or following person from the meeting.
There's no democracy in that.
This,
And the people
we have a motion to second for
an opportunity for the minority voice.
there's a motion to censure, there's a second.
Ms. Allen, they don't want to come at 60 East 154th.
Hey guys, so much for power to the people, right? As soon as this dude gets a little bit of power, all of a sudden his so-called people are no better than anyone else, right? And that's the problem with power-hungry people, and that's why I really despise most politicians. Give me a bunch of ones if you agree. Anybody who wants power is not somebody that you want in power. Give me a bunch of ones if you agree with that as well. Let's get back into it.
Point of order. All in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Those opposed? Hearing none, they don't have votes. Please escort the second one on from the council chambers. Thank you.